Hi guys, this is Miss Lisa from the Harney County Library, and I'm here today to talk to you about a program that we're doing December 18th through December 31st. And it is Oregon's Amazing Animals, and it's put on by the University of Oregon's Cultural and Natural Museum. And so basically what they're going to do is they're going to teach you about all of the different animals and prehistoric animals that used to live in Oregon. And so on the 18th, between the 18th and the 21st or 31st, you come in and you pick up this little kit, and then you take the little kit home and you watch the video on our website, and she will talk you through it. Did you guys know that in Oregon we have what they call a giant salamander? Yes, he lives here now. I didn't know that, and he can get up to 14 inches long. That would be a beautiful thing to see because I love amphibians. Okay, so here's the kit. They were all put together by Mia at the Museum of Natural and Cultural History at the University of Oregon, and she sent me 55 of them. So on December 18th, they'll be available, but when they run out, they run out. The cool thing about these kits though, is there's nothing in here that you couldn't make at home if you wanted to. So let's look at it. So first it has this really cool poster. And it tells you about all the different animals, past and present, that used to live or still live in Oregon. This is the present side. This is the past side. And there's some pretty amazing things. Did you know that we had our own mammoth in Oregon? Not a woolly mammoth, because he didn't need to be woolly because it wasn't as cold then, but just a mammoth, like an Oregon mammoth. So in her kit, she has all kinds of different games that you can play, and she explains how she plays this game on the video that's on our website. She also has these cute little plastic animals and note cards on the kind of habitat that these animals would live in, and she shows you how to build a diorama for your plastic animals on her video. She also has this fun little game. I can't remember what it's for, but you know, it's Mia, and Mia always does great things. Anyway, if something should happen and you don't get this kit because we ran out, still watch the video, because everything in this kit can be made just out of stuff in your house. Anyway, thanks. Hope you love it. Bye.